Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm making the ultimate compact workshop table. It is 4 feet by 30 inches deep, has pegboard storage along the back, a huge amount of storage from internal drawers that cover most of the bottom, with also squeezed in there a dust collection system for a fold-out downdraft table and a fold-away vise that becomes quite compact for if you have limited room. And additionally, it has in the corner a router mounted so that it acts as a router table. So yeah, this is the first part in a most likely 3-part series, and the first step is to cut down an old table that I had that was 8 feet long by 30 inches deep and make it 4 feet long, so that way this is a more compact table. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. Onto the video. I'm going to grind out some sections off of that to flatten it with the flap disc so I can weld to it again, and then I'm going to attempt to cut this there around there, and then this one also has to be cut. Some of the cutting cut into the tube more than the weld. I had a lot of difficulty cutting the weld and not the tube, but I think it'll be okay because I'm going to just grind it all flat, weld to it, which should really fill all of these digs and stuff back in, and then I'm going to grind those welds flush and paint it. Okay, so I have this in a bit of a precarious setup, but a hydraulic cart there supporting that end, and then this end is in the saw, and it's in roughly the right position. So now all I need to do is measure, line it up perfectly, and then I should be able to hopefully cut through that side, and then I just need to do the exact same thing for the other side. Now it's just the exact same thing again, except on the other side. I have the table main big piece on this table, and then this piece is set up here with just a small magnet there. And so yeah, I just basically need to tack corners in there, and then weld around, and then that will be done. Just finished the welding. Some of it looks okay, other ones don't look great because I'm kind of like free floating in the air, but good enough for now. I can touch it up later. Right now I'm just going to let it cool all the way, then I'm going to flip it upright, make sure it's all good, grind off all the welds, and then look at covering it in a coat of paint. So at this point I skipped over filming the grinding of the table, and I just went right ahead into fabricating the 2 vertical pegboard support beams. That is a lot larger than I was hoping for of a gap but I'll definitely be to weld these seams, and if I can't build up enough weld to fill that, which I might not be able to, I might have to find a small piece to fill it. So I think I'm just going to attempt to make it work. Just at least make the other one match. I haven't cut it yet to see how that would go, but at least it bent easily, so I'll probably just try to make this one match. Okay, so this is the first one I did. Now I'm just gonna try to grind it and see how it looks. So this is quick progress report. This is the table. This is the back. It is going to be cut down some, and of course not all the way to the bottom. It's going to be elevated some. This is just kind of a quick fitment. So this is the back, like that. These are just not welded on nuts. Putting non-captive nuts. It's good at least for now, and probably be permanent because I don't think I'm going to change it before I paint this. But yeah, so that basically that piece needs to be cut down and then lifted up a bit so I can have the tabletop on here, and then the pegboard will be mounted to it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and watch out for part 2 in probably about a week or so. And thanks for watching.